Now come in here, be still, and don't y'all say nothing. Fry this chicken with me. I already cleaned it and patted dry. Then you get you some seasoned salt, sprinkle it on there delicately. Not too much, not too little. You hear the ancestors tell you when to stop. So I don't really measure my stuff, but just pour some flour in a bowl or a paper sack or a sandwich bag, and then you get you some paprika and you sprinkle that in there. I don't like sprinkling a little bit, so I just went on and take the whole little top off and just pour it in there. Got your paprika. Then you get after paprika, you get your cayenne pepper. It's cayenne pepper, but where I'm from, my grandma say cayenne pepper. You get your cayenne pepper, and then you get some more of your seasoned salt, and just sprinkle that in there. I had some Lars this time. Sometimes I make my own. It all depends on you, but I had Lars, so we're going to go with that. And just whisk that around. I know I'm going to do it with my hand, but y'all watching me right now. And we're going to make the sauce. All you need is a fourth of a whole stick of butter, a whole one. Get a whole stick of butter, and normally be like a half a cup to a cup of Frank's Red Hot. After that, you get you some pepper, dab that in there. Get you some garlic powder, dab that in there. Get you some parsley, and pour that in there like that. And then after you get that parsley, you're going to get you some Creole or Cajun seasoning. Got that Tony Chacha. And just pour him in there. And then you got to get you a little spoon and like stir it up a little bit. And it's going to melt and all that stuff. And get your paper towel so you don't get the stuff dirty. Look at that chicken. You want one, don't you? So you get some to get the chicken out after it's already, it's frying or whatever. So get your chicken out. Bam. Bam, bam, just like that. And you're gonna sit it on some paper towel to dry, soak it up so you don't get all that grease, because you already got that butter coming in that sauce. So you're gonna let them chicken wings get fried hard. They weren't fried as hard as they should have been the first. That's why I had to let them sit. So after you take them out and let them sit and drain them, you pour the sauce all on them. You pour it, like, get it real, let it get sopped up in there and get real saucy. And then you get ready and get you a plate and fry. And I had cooked some fries too, but I had forgot to show y'all. But here the plate is. Who the chef is? That's my Bayou Hot chicken wings with a little fries.